Today, my COVID activism is quite simple. I am going to be participating in a 2-hour sewing class at my local library. But first, we mask up and then I'll show you what I make. So we looked at doing a bunch of different thread types or pattern types of the stitches. And then I had the instructor teach me how to do a pant hemming. So that was pretty cool. After the lesson, I was just like, hey, I want to learn how to hem my pants. Could you quickly teach me that? And they did. And then I have had people ask me what I do for my process afterwards. So what I do is first, actually, I do some hand sanitizer. I already did that when I got into the car, but hand sanitizer. And then I take my hat and my glasses off, and my headphones if I have those on. And then I take my mask off. And then I have a box that I built. The 2 bags are already full, so I'm just gonna throw it in the middle here. But I have this for sun sterilization in my car for the masks. And then after that, I just use a little bit more again, just because I touched the mask. Mask could have stuff on it. It's low risk, but it's not no risk. Put my hat on, my glasses on, and then ready to go, drive away.